All right, friends, today you're going to be writing a five senses poem. So today you're going to channel your five senses to write a really fun poem. In case you've forgotten, your five senses are sight, or see, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. So your five senses poem is you're going to use your senses to study a topic. And on the next slide, I'll give you some examples of topics you can use. The focus of this poem is to use similes. Similes are comparisons between two unlike things using like or as. And on slide 8, you'll see my example and hear another video on what those expectations are. But your five sense poem is very simple. Okay? Here are your rules. You must follow the prompts to complete your poem. The one thing that I've been noticing is a lot of you are writing like the line number. Please do not write that line number. I don't want to see it. When you go to slide 8, your final product should look exactly like my example. If it doesn't, it is not appropriate. You need to fix it. So, some topics that really do a great job at kind of enhancing our five senses is to think of holidays. Holidays like Christmas, Halloween, 4th of July, any holiday. It can be birthday, St. Patrick's, any holiday. The seasons. You have fall or autumn, winter, spring, or summer. And then any emotion, happy, sad, angry, etc. Okay? So these are the topics to consider. So what you're going to do, here are your rules or your directions. Line 1 is you're going to tell me what color your emotion or idea looks like. So if you choose, like you'll see in my example on slide 8, I said summer looks like, using like, yellow. Okay? Line 2, you're going to tell me what your idea, your emotion tastes like. Now, obviously, you can't taste summer, but if you think of summer, close your eyes, think of summer, what would summer taste like? Then line 3, tell me what your emotion, your idea sounds like. Again, if you are talking about Christmas, well, what do you think? If you close your eyes, what does Christmas sound like? Line 4, tell me what your emotion or idea smells like. So if you're thinking of that and you kind of close your eyes, what kind of comes to your senses in terms of smell? Then line 5, what your emotion looks like. So I think of like if you were to open up your window and instead of the outside, your topic comes up. So for example, summer. If I were to open my curtains and I see summer out my window, what do I see? And then line 6, your last line, is how your emotion makes you feel. Okay, not feeling as in touch, but feeling as like an inside feeling. So, on their next slide, you're going to see an example and you're going to hear me talk about it and go over that with you. You will have slides 9 and 10 are your slides that you write your own five sense poems on, which I explain further in the video on slide 8. I can't wait to read them. Have fun!